Hello everyone. Our topic is multidisciplinary insights in performative media practice. We are Tang Yuying, Zhang Xinyue, Chen Minghua, and Wang Guishen. In this presentation, we will explore how different artists use art and technology to create engaging and interactive media experiences. Here's a brief intro to the three creators we studied. Alify blends code, visuals and person culture to make interactive digital performances. Roger NGV Luen mixes shadow puppetry with AI to explore identity and tradition. Illobin is a studio that uses tech like projection mapping to tell cultural stories in immersive ways. All three focus on audience participation and cross-disciplinary storytelling.
Hello, my name is Zhang Xinyue. About international artists, I choose Olify, a new media artist from Iran. With a background in architecture, he blends digital design, coding, and Persian culture into his creative work. One of his most famous work is called AM, created in 2015. It's an interactive audiovisual installation using mirrors to explore the concept of self-awareness. As people approach, hidden visual and sound react in real time, creating a fully immersive experience. Here's a look at some photos of AM in action. As you can see, the visual shifts dynamically based on the viewer's presence. All this work is highly interdisciplinary. He brings areas like interactive arts, cognitive science, and real-time data processing. To do this, he used tools like touch design and Max-MSP, which help transfer audience movement into both visual and sound. Instead of just watching, the audience becomes part of the experience, actively engaging with the theme of self and technology.
Here is Roger Niger Malaysia. His name is Roger Niger Waylon. His origin Malaysia local people. The education is a 2024 Bachelor of the Fine Artist in the Design Art, Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. The studio background. Roger Niger is a multidisciplinary artist whose work delves into the cultural identity and the national narratives, artists' design and philosophy. Rocker is a practice explore the multiplexity of the Malaysia identity, particularly in the context of the 1971 New Cultures policies. He employed the mixed media installations to the question and reinterpret national syllables into the foster dialogical on the culture's pluralism and the post-colonial identity. This one is he project, the Manjori Mall. The year is 2024. It's created during his time in the Nanyang Technological University. The work was inspired by the Malaysia national culture policies and explore how such the policies shaped the national identity. The project goals used to the tiger as a symbolic figure. The work is explore the construction of the Malaysia national identity and the criticals how the cultural policy shaped the dominated that identities. It encourages the audience to reconsider the multicultural nature of the being the Malaysia. The medium used They use video, digital animations, the 3D printer, something else. This one is the picture of a project. Multidisciplinary and technological interaction. Discipline involved. First one is visual art. It's used to visual symbolism to explain the culture and the political practices. Next one is digital animations. Is used integrated motions, graphic, and layer video effect to enhance the narrative depths. The third one is textile design, incorporated traditional textile pattern and texture as cultural references. The fourth one is core pictures is created core cultural form to the embody mass memory and distorted identities. Installation art is a designed immersive space that is combined some visual and matter reality for the audience interaction. Technologicals and media used. He used a touch designer, a visual programming, a software used to create real-time animations and interactive installation. It is allowed artwork to the diametrically respond to the audience and interactions. Video editing and digital combining. The tools like After Effects are used to combine the motions, graph, sound, and symbolist elements to enhance the narrative impact. Multiple media projection and sensors. The projects and the sensors are used to the created immersive environments where its audience movement can trigger visual or audio responses. The last one is audience experiences and interactives. First one is interactive with the audience. Audience are not just the passive observe. They are invited to the physically interactive with the work through the touch, movement, and presence. The installation often responded to the body gestures, proximity or sound, and creating the feedback loop between the artwork and audience. Audience are also encouraged to interpret symbols and narratives, make the experiences both emotional and intellectual impact and audience, encourages the deep self-reflection and the culture question, especially regarding the theme of the identity, history, and the being belonging. Be belonging. The interactive helps the creator the personal connection, making the message is more memorable and impactful. Perform dialogue among the viewers as sharing experiences, faster discussions around the national and the social topics.
Let me introduction about Yellowband. Yellowband is from Southeast Asia. Original was Thailand. These studios want to create works that both actions, prosing, and values stacking surrounds experiment measurements in quickly, independent and strongly how styles. Here is a project name was the Living Museums. Created years was 2020. So the background was in the COVID times, Thailand's travel travel trick it's not very good. So Yalaban studios want to make a new landmark for the media made a major driving increase beautiful images using mental scenes, groups, and project mapping technologies. Here is images. Technologies introduced first, more various arts, repressions, history, and criticism, those digital regions, language. For next part, the thing is animes highlighting the themes through dynamic images change and explaining the values of lighting and shadows and the priorities. Tactics designs, the themes of museums of life is described through whereas variations of projects join. In current arts, integrations with education additions through immersive space that combines sounds, lessons, and elementals. So for the technology she used, first was the touching design of the 3D projections technology with using to mapping moving images on the surface of histories, buildings, and into the glass meters. For the sound designs and special autos is using additions to making sound change. Also using the AR technologies. The AR names was the algorithms and both intelligence of living and virtual connect. For the auditions experiences, the Hobbit Cerberus is equipped with weather's light grounded lines will give the weather from one space-times to the another. Also give the weather is special memories because all, uh, all the visit times it's using the first-hand process to enter experience.
This project helped me see how performative media blends art, tech, and audience interaction. Through Alify, Roger, NG, and Aliban, I learned how visual, sound, and coding can tell powerful stories. It made me realize that the audience plays an active role in shaping meanings.